I am Bianca from itdesign. Welcome to our third ITD resource planning tutorial video. In this video, we show you how to work with allocations and ITD advanced resource planning. Therefore, we'll set our view to allocation via investments. In the investment section on top, we see 5 projects with resources and roles already staffed and planned. By clicking on the respective resource, we can select it in the resource section on the bottom. With this, we can get an overview of their capacity. Every change you make in an investment is shown directly in the resource utilization. This helps, for example, when you have to choose when a project still fits in. You can stretch or shrink a project, or simply move it to the left or to the right. We also have the chance to change single resources in the same way. The project Optimized Resource Management does not yet have any resources planned, only the developer and architect role. We have the ability to drag and drop a resource directly on the project, or we click on the 3 black dots next to the role to select Filter by Role to see all the possible candidates. We can drag and drop the chosen resource on the project. The remaining workload not taken by this resource will remain with the role. We can select a second resource for this. Allocations of the new team members can now be directly planned or changed in this view. We simply enter values in the resource row. Let's start with Tina and type in some values. Upon doing this, we immediately see the changes in the histogram in the lower resource section. The project planning results in an overbooking, especially in May. This is seen with the red color in the histogram in this month. By clicking into the cell, we see exactly why the resource is overbooked. We now have two options: either replace this resource with another, or redistribute the allocations for this specific month. If you want to redistribute the planning, you can enter the values directly in the row of another resource. If you want to replace it, you can drag and drop another candidate on the resource. Allocations can also be sorted by resource. This could be useful for a resource manager wanting to check on his resources capacity. Caroline, for example, is overbooked in March and April. In order to resolve this conflict, we can redistribute our workload. As we've seen in assignments, the allocation views are also available in single mode. When working in single mode, we recommend selecting the filter Show Team Only in the Resources section. This option is available in both Assignment and Allocation view. We've now completed the introduction to working with allocations in ITD Advanced Resource Planning. We hope this video was useful and look forward to your comments and questions. If you're interested in adding ITD Advanced Resource Planning to your Clarity PPM to simplify resource planning, we're happy to help. Feel free to contact us to schedule a web session or to discuss testing options.